Have you ever wondered how a voice assistant seems to answer your questions instantly? Let's break down the AI's secret. First step, the AI breaks your sentence into pieces called tokens, then turns them into numbers that the model can read. These numbers are fed into a transformer, the core of modern AI, which looks at all words together to find patterns. During training, the model reads billions of sentences, adjusting tiny knobs called weights until it predicts the next word accurately. When you ask a question, the AI follows a pipeline: input tokenization embedding transformer output. Attention lets the model focus on the most relevant words, like spotlighting important clues in a puzzle. The result: the AI transforms numbers back into a human-readable answer, matching context to your query. So next time you chat with an assistant, remember the tiny steps that turn your words into answers. And here are some quick stats. 175 billion parameters in GPT-4, 160K text samples per day, and 0.4% of the world's data it processes.